Get it out of the zone! Get it out! Get it out! Go! Go, Nico! Good job, Nico! Whoop. Get it out! Ice the puck, you guys! You gotta ice it! Ice it! All right, good job. It's about time. Here we go. Pinch him off! Get back, Riley! Camera in front of the net! Oh no! Come on, guys! Cover the man in front! Ice it! Ice the puck! Oh, here we go. Go, go, go. Go, Max. Get out there. Good job, Riley! Lift his stick. Go, Max, skate it in! 2 hands!
I got Nico.
Oh, Max. Go, Tyler. Tyler, you're a wing.
All right, Nico, come back here. Cameron! Go, Nico, go.
Two hands. Oh! Get out of the zone. Get out.
Go right, go, go, go.
2 hands, Max! 2 hands! Get him! Get him! Go get it, Ryan! That's your puck! Get the puck! Win that puck! Skate to the net, Ryan! Get there! Get there! Get back, Max! Get back! 2 hands, Max! Pinch him off!
Where are you going, Max? Where are you going, Nico? Nikki, you ready? Yeah, go ahead, get ready. Nico.
Nikki, are you ready to go? Okay, get up here. Get it out! Get it out! Nice job! Back check! Catch that man! Back check! Good job, guys! Nice pass!
Go get it, Alex! Alex! Who's rallying then? That's you, Rose!
Nice job, Riley! 2 hands, Max! Good.
Nice, DDD!
Skate it!
8! Put it on, Max! Put it on!
Alex, stay on D. Alex, stay back. Thank you.
Riley, you gotta give me more, man. You gotta give me more. What are you doing? Turn them off. Sorry, you got that.
Hey, nice shift, guys. Nice shift. Aiden, let that puck. Let that puck in the lead. I saw it up. I know, I saw it up. What happened, okay? What happened? Okay, right?
Go, Tyler.
Hey, on three.
Nice. Oh, back check. Back check. Go. Go. Back check. Back check. Ah. Ah. Oh, come on. Nikki's coming up. Okay, go, just go.
Nikki!
Nikki's gonna be okay. Have a seat, Nikki.
Really, Ryan?
What?
Got a 6-minute penalty!
It's because he was limping. Let's not whine about it. Max, you better put mustard on it.
Go, Ryan!
Back check. Max, you better put mustard on it when you ice it. Go get him, Alex. Go get him.
He's got a nice glove. His pads are
Back check. Back check. Hustle. Cover it. Nice. Ice it, Nico. Ice the puck. Ice the puck. Back check, Ryan. Back check. Back check. Man in front. Man in front. Skate. Skate, Ryan, faster. Back check! Back check! Back check, Ryan! Back check, Nico! Come on, you guys! Ah!